How to create categories. Under Manage Session, click on Categories. Once you click, you can see the hierarchy view of the categories, which includes subcategories and also your assert defined to the category, and also the listed view of the categories here. Now I'll showcase you how to create categories. In the right hand side corner, click on create a new category. Give the name of your category. You can also map them to a parent category and also the other information. Once you click save, this will get reflected here. Then the first button here represents file input. Once you click this, with the help of this, you can download a template of ours, which will be in Excel format. You can fill the category information and you can import the data here. Then the next button helps you to find the import history here. So the next button here is a download category, which will help you to download the summary of the categories. And finally, the YouTube icon. Just by clicking here, this will help you on how to create categories. Thank you.